Chapter 24. Animal Rhymes.
A mouse is black or grey or white, and very smart if he can write.
A young and fit and healthy rat is yummy for a hungry cat.
Where is that crazy chubby bear? He isn't here. He isn't there.
An elephant so big and fat goes swimming in his purple hat.
Samantha is a silly snake. She ties her body by mistake.
A prince or princess, who is this? Well, give that ugly frog a kiss.
A snail is slow. Sit down and wait, for she is always very late.
An eagle, beautiful and pink, goes skating in a kitchen sink.
A well-built elk, as you can see, is bigger than an apple tree.
This fast and funny, friendly fox sometimes sleeps with smelly socks.
It takes an hour for a laugh to travel through this tall giraffe.
A koala and a kangaroo sing carols at the barbecue.
Listen to that lovely sound. Is there a hummingbird around?
The chimps dive in, but of the two, just one can swim. Can you guess who?
Of all the runners in Hyde Park, not one can beat the great white shark.
Just like you, this brilliant horse has reached the finish of this course. Let's hear the trumpets and the drums. We'll meet again when autumn comes.
Hooray! I'm a champ!